I know you have drama. You always do. You always come yelling at me every freaking morning. And you're like, hey, come on, let me go spill the drama to my friends. So what's the drama that you have? You know what? You can tell me. I know you wander around the house. You must have found something. I'm gonna sit here and wait. Oh, so you're gonna leave. She's scared. You're gonna leave me. You're gonna leave me and not give me any drama. Oh my god, you're so mean. That's so rude. Right before I brought the camera out, you were meowing on how Rachel freaking stole your man's. You just gonna turn your back on me and then not talk to me. I'm gonna poke you with a stick. I'm gonna poke you with a stick.